How to fix too many attempts on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix too many attempts on the TikTok app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure that you have actually downloaded and opened the TikTok app. And let's say you were just trying to log into your TikTok account and then it simply says too many attempts. You were trying to forget or recover your password and then TikTok says too many attempts and you've been failing to log into your account or just conduct any type of normal activities. Now, too many attempts on TikTok could usually be fixed by actually clearing the data of the TikTok app or restarting the TikTok app from the very beginning. So in order to do that, first of all, we're going to hop out of TikTok app. Now, if you're on iOS, I would recommend you to first directly go ahead and then uninstall and reinstall the application, because that is basically how you can reset apps on the iOS versions. But for Android users, you don't really need to go through the uninstalling process. In your case, it's very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to basically go over and then open up the settings application. Once we open up settings, you want to go ahead and then look for the option called apps. So let me just go ahead and select the option called apps. As soon as you find apps, simply tap on it, and here you want to go ahead and look for TikTok. So let me just go ahead and select the app called TikTok. It is usually going to be at the end of the screen because of course T is at the end of the alphabetical order. So go ahead and select TikTok first of all. Once you find TikTok, simply tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you'll find this option which says storage. Tap on the storage option. As you tap on storage, very first thing we're going to do is to tap on the clear cache button which you see at the bottom right. Now, in order to fix the too many attempts, what you just want to do is tap on clear data, tap on OK, and now what you want to do is you want to exit TikTok, and we're going to basically go over and then relaunch the TikTok application, relog into our account, and hopefully that would fix our issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.